Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and said that, well, the first time I couldn't even get it to PowerClip into this frame, but your PowerClip cannot be bigger or smaller than your frame, because this is what's going to happen. You're going to go to Object and PowerClip, Place Inside Frame, and that's what you're going to get. That's not what PowerClip is all about. If you want a rectangle around this item, if you would select the item and then hold down your shift key and double click on the rectangle tool, then you have a rectangle around your object. And that in kind of a way is a power clip. The real reason you would power clip something is to be like this. You would grab your object, go up to object, power clip, place inside frame. And this is what power clipping is all about, is to make it inside of a shape and cut out the rest of the shape. I don't care what your shape is. Let's make this a star. And if you wanted to put that picture into that, you would select it, go up to object, power clip, place inside frame, and then you can edit it, and you can move the power clip around and get more of the face in the power clip. And then when you do that, then you get a power clip. I hope that helps him a little bit. Thank you for watching.